I heard that you are now an expert in using the lighting design softwares like Dialux Evo, Relax, and AGI 32. Congratulations! But how about the AutoCAD? Do you think you need to learn more of this software? Perfect! Then join us in this online course, Basic AutoCAD for Lighting Designers. Hi, my name is Nelca Roco and I will be your instructor in this Basic AutoCAD for Lighting Designers course. I will teach you the tips and tricks on how to use the AutoCAD software. I will guide you step by step through our hands-on video training. I will also tell you the short key commands so you don't need to look for it on that confusing command tabs. Just a few types of keys and you will have it. Enroll now and be confident in working in your lighting design. So see you in this online classroom.